Thanks for tuning in to BZB TV and welcome to a fresh episode of The Hive. Very important today that you keep plenty of high quality H2O in your body, and also make sure to subscribe to BZB TV. That way you don't miss out on the latest AV trends, news, and products.
Today's episode, we have an exciting product for you guys from our friends Kramer Electronics. It's called the VIA Connect Pro. It is a wireless presentation and collaboration solution. So let's get going, guys, and open up the box, see what we have inside.
The VIA Connect Pro is a wireless collaboration solution that makes sharing and presenting in meetings easier. With any laptop or mobile device, users can view, edit, comment on files in real time, as well as chat and share files simultaneously. We'll be demonstrating these amazing features for all of you, but first, we gotta install the unit. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you guys, did you know if you flip the VIA, it's still the VIA.
Let's get started. We now have our VIA connected directly to our TV using an HDMI cable. We also have it connected to our network with an Ethernet cord. Along with that, we have a keyboard and a mouse for control using USB cables. Now, once you have the VIA started, it will automatically bring you to a welcome screen. Now, this welcome screen has all the vital information you need to connect. You'll notice that it has a room name, which we will be entering into a web browser. This room name is unique to this specific unit. And we also have a code just as an added layer of security. Now let's grab a laptop and show you guys just how easy it is to connect your device to the VIA. The first step is opening a web browser with your device and entering the room name that you saw on the welcome screen. Now go up to the address bar, type in your unique room name, and hit enter. Now you can also do this from your mobile device or simply download the free app and you could get started through the app as well. All right, so now we are here at the location. Welcome to VIA Collaboration Hub. Now to launch VIA, you could either run it or install. For today's video, we will just run. We are using a Mac computer, so if you're using a Mac, you will have to, right here, grab the VIA app and drag it into your applications folder. Now, open your folder, go down to VIA, and open it. Yes, open. All right, once you have your Kramer VIA app up and running, it will ask you for that room name again. So type in that unique room name, give yourself a nickname. Ooh, that's a very catchy nickname. All right, you guys want to log in, it'll ask for a code, which is on the welcome screen as well. So go ahead and type that code in, log in. Now you are connected to the VIA. You can begin presenting and collaborating with your team. Kramer's VIA Connect Pro is perfect for sharing high quality video onto the TV screen with your peers or audience. Now there are two ways to seamlessly stream video from your device through the VIA. Now we'll talk about the first option, which is simply mirroring the screen of your laptop or mobile device. On the laptop here, we have our app. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that through the VIA app. Once you have the app open, you want to select present. So the middle button is present, and you're now mirroring your laptop screen. From there, you can open up YouTube video and start streaming for your presentation. Now, if somebody has a mobile device and they want to mirror through there, they can do that as well. Say someone has an iPhone. Through the iPhone now, we'll show you how to do it just through the mirroring option. We will not use the app. Now just keep in mind, if you do not use the app, you can't benefit from the full features of the VIA, like editing and sharing files, because you're simply just mirroring your screen onto the shared TV. So with an iPhone, you just go to your settings, select screen mirroring, look for VIA Air Mirror and select that. Now it will ask you to punch in a code, which was on the VIA welcome screen. Our code is 8897. Once you punch in that code, your mobile device is now being displayed onto the screen, and then you can also share content as well at this time. Now we have our laptop and our mobile device being shared on the screen. The VIA can actually cast up to 4 participants at any given time. Now if you select the mirroring option, you can reach up to resolutions of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The second option of streaming video from your device is by playing actual video files. Now by doing this, you will actually get resolutions of 1080p at 60 frames per second. So if video integrity is really important for your presentation, you'll probably want to go this route. Very simple to do. Once you have your VIA app open, you just have to find a video file from your laptop or device. Click and drag it into the VIA logo on the very left-hand side of the interface, and it will automatically initiate playback onto the shared TV. As we mentioned earlier, by using the VIA app, you'll be able to take full advantage of all of its collaborative features. Now let's go ahead and take a quick overview of all those features and how they work. So taking a look at the interface of the VIA app, let's start from the right. Here we have participants. Straightforward, you can see everyone that is participating and connected to the VIA. The middle is what we used earlier. It's to present, so you can start and stop the mirroring of your screen. And on the left is where all the goodies reside. Let's click on features. All right, multimedia. This is where you can, share videos and photos. You can even, share YouTube videos by typing in the URL, and it'll queue up and be ready, for viewing and sharing for the presentation. Start collaboration. You click on that. You will be able to collaborate through a shared screen using your own device. Now multiple users can interact and control the main display at the same time. Whiteboard, you click this to open a whiteboard at the main screen, and you can start annotating files and easily comment and edit people's work in real time. Files, now these files you can save your annotated documents to the cloud and share instantly with everyone in the session. Here it's saving to the cloud, so the cloud has 32 gigabytes of storage. Come over to Enable Control. Here we have Enable Control. This will give all participants control over the presenter's device. Here we have Chat, where you can enter the chat room and talk with people that are connected to the VIA. So let me talk to Flo real quick. All right, next we have file transfer. You can share files between all active participants during the session. There you go. Lastly, we have View Main Display, which will bring up the shared TV and whatever's on it onto your device's screen. Well, there you have it. That was Kramer's VIA Connect Pro, which will allow you to collaborate like a pro. I want to thank Kramer for this wonderful product. Thank you guys for tuning in. Show your support, like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We've included the product link down below in the descriptions, so make sure you guys check that out for further detail. Feel free to leave any comments or questions on this video. We'll get back to you guys. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to BZB TV. We will have a lot more content coming in the near future, so you don't want to miss out. My name is Joel. Hope to catch you guys on the next episode of The Hive.